Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a home summary widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Then tap on the left image to customize. Next, tap on the bottom widget panel. In here, scroll down and then tap on Home. Now swipe to the left, and in here, tap on Summary. So tap on the Summary widget that will get added to your widget panel. You can also drag it to your widget panel as well. And then tap on the Close button, then tap on the Close button again to close that, and then tap on Done. And that's it. So that is how you can add your home summary widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.